The only tool used in this video to install the turn signal indicator was the screwdriver. As always, before we begin, let's listen to that safety jingle.
Before you walk on your cart, do these safety things before you start. Turn on the car, parking brake down, flip your switch to don't mode, and disconnect your battery.
Hey, this is Paul from Streetwise Carts, and before we jump in, I just want to let you know that this video is part of our free street legalization mini course available at streetwisecarts.com. Signing up for this course also gives you our downloadable parts buying worksheet. This free mini course is the installation portion of our full street legalization course that goes over all the state paperwork and compliance issues that you need to be aware of when converting your golf cart to a street legal LSV. You can find a link to the free mini course along with a 10% off coupon for a full street legalization course right down below this video. All right, let's jump back in. Now let's take a look at what came with my turn signal module. We got mounting clamps, Phillips head screws, adhesive foam pads, zip ties, steering wheel wire cover, 9-pin harness with 2 additional bullet connectors, and finally the turn signal module itself. First thing I'm going to do is stick on these foam pads to the metal brackets and onto the inside of the turn signal. This probably helps the unit from sliding and more so to keep it from scratching. Now I'm going to mount the unit. I'm going to place it about a ½ inch below the steering wheel itself. Then I'm going to close up the unit. In previous videos, we had removed our cup holder and dash when installing the wire harness. This is where we're going to find the 9-pin connector that our unit plugs into. I'm pulling these wires up to the wiring harness underneath the cup holder. The connection on the wiring harness for the turn signal comes with a jumper that we'll need to remove. Now I can match the connections, and I'm also plugging in this bullet connector which controls the high and low beams. There's another red wire which controls a colored accent light if your headlights are capable of it. My kit doesn't come with the harness that allows this one to be hooked up, and my headlights don't have that capability anyways, so I'm not going to worry about it. Now I can thread the module wires into the steering wheel column sleeve and then mount it up onto the steering column. I'm giving an inch or two of space on the bottom of the column to allow the wires to make a path up to the dash. Now that we have the module hooked up, let's get our power connected and test it out.